guys, welcome back to my channel. So today I want to do a quick kind of show and tell with you guys because I've already taken out the box. I've had this bag for probably over a month now, and I've been waiting to use it because I wanted to, film a video on it first, because I thought it'd be helpful, because when I was looking at this particular bag for purchase, there wasn't a lot of videos on it on YouTube, and I'm the type where if I'm going to make a big purchase, I like to watch as many videos about it as I can, especially since you can't go into the store right now to see it in person. I mean, I guess you could if you're in an area where you're allowed to, but for me, I'm not. I try to keep it limited to like groceries and just like must have, like going for things like that. So all the stuff that you guys have seen me unbox and haul with you has been online purchases, so just keep that in mind. I didn't actually get to go into the store to see this. So I've been seeing this bag for a couple months, because if you're on Instagram or you're on Facebook, I'm sure you've seen the ad for this bag. That's how I first discovered this. I also think it's probably because I was searching on Amazon for canvas totes, and I'm pretty sure Facebook spies on you. So then I started seeing the ads pop up for the Marc Jacobs tote bag. So like I said, I kept trying to find videos on it on YouTube back then, and then I couldn't find any. It wasn't until maybe like a month ago, around the time I actually bought the bag, that I finally found a couple reviews on it, because like I said, I can't go into the store to see it in person, so I'm trying to go off of their vibes of the bag and their shots of the bag. So this is the bag. This is the tote bag by Marc Jacobs. As you can see, the tote bag, Marc Jacobs. This is the front. This is the side, back, and then the other side. And it's a really like thick, sturdy canvas. Like there's some bend and slouch, as you can see, but it's really thick, so it kind of holds its shape pretty good. I have had it sitting on my shelf with bag organizer in it the whole time, so I don't know if that's also helping it kind of keep the shape, because I did buy an organizer to go with this bag, and I'll show you that too in this video. The dimensions, I got some notes over here, or actually I just have it pulled up on my iPad so that I can give that to you. 12 inches long, 6 in depth, and 16 in height. And you can find all of that stuff on the website. They were pretty good about having the dimensions. Also for the strap, everything is on there. I bought the bag for $175. That is the current price as of me filming this right now. I feel like I did see once where they ran a sale on this bag, but I didn't purchase it back then because I couldn't find, like I said, some videos on it. So I didn't feel too comfortable with making the purchase back then. I wish that I had, but if they do ever run another sale on the bag, I probably will get this bag in a couple other colors. Because I went with Blue Shadow. That's the color of this one. I think that's what it's called. Yeah, Blue Shadow. But I like the beige because I was originally going for just a basic, true canvas style bag. So I like the beige. I actually like that slate green. I'm not sure if that's the name. I'll pop up some stuff up here for you guys like I always do. I like the green. I like the beige, and I was really interested in the black, but I'm just scared that it's gonna look like faded and not like black, if that makes sense. Alright guys, now I want to show you some of the features inside the bag that I think you'll like. Okay, this is the flap that's at the back of the bag. Pull that up. So as you can see, you do get a zipper section at the back. So it does seem like it goes all the way down. Inside there is where I found my authentication cards. So don't know if it's like that for everyone, but that's where mine was. You also get these two pockets here. which I really like that it has that. That's one thing I noticed in the Neverfull when I was looking at that bag. It doesn't have these side pockets. It has a zippered thing, but it doesn't have any like smaller pockets. I think that would be really nice if they added that to the Neverfull. Let's try to, there, that's what it looks like, and it does say the Marc Jacobs. All of the hardware you see is like this kind of a matte but shiny black. That's like the best way I could describe it. I like it. And then you see these corners, and at the bottom there's this stitching all inside your bag, and it says the Marc Jacobs, and I think that's a nice touch. On the other side, yeah, you can see there's nothing on the other side, so keep that in mind. Rings, that's because this bag does come with a strap, and I'm going to go ahead and attach that now so you can see how that looks. This is the strap that the bag comes with. It's a nice thick strap. See that there? And it is adjustable. This strap doesn't have, you know, like Marc Jacobs written all over it like some of the other straps on his website. I did see where one of the girls that reviewed this bag, she purchased one of the other straps where it does say that, and it did look really good with this bag. The only problem that I didn't care for, and neither did she, was that the hardware on that strap was in gold, whereas the strap that comes with this and all the hardware on this bag is in silver. So I don't know if they're gonna have that option available in silver or if it was just sold out at the time, but if you can get that strap with silver hardware, I think it'd be perfect for this bag. If you're looking for a tote bag that comes with a strap that you can wear crossbody, I think this is a really good option for you guys. The organizer that I got to go with this bag. I found this one on Amazon. It was not that expensive. The shipping was pretty quick, and the reviews are pretty decent on it. My biggest reason for choosing this particular one is because it had this piece built into it, and that's because I like to carry my Yeti bottle with me, so I wanted something that would hold that in place if I had that sticking in my purse, you know, when I'm walking out to the truck. I did go with this pink color. Most people tend to go with something that'll match their bag a little better. I don't think there was an option for like the blue shadow-ish. Either way, I just wanted a pink one anyway, so I went with pink. I like the color, and I'll try to remember to link all of this stuff down below for you guys. Still has a tag on it because I have not used this. Dry clean, do not wring, iron medium, do not bleach, and that it's 100% polyester. It is the felt material. Let's start with the pockets. Okay, you see you've got this slit here. It's really good for storage. You can easily slide your Kindle down in there. You've got a pocket here, a pocket here, this pocket for your water bottle, tumbler. If you're brave, I guess, you know, you want to put your coffee tumbler in there. I don't know, I'm kind of scared about, you know, the hot stuff in there. Water bottle, not that bad. You know, and even if you didn't use it for like a water bottle, you could probably use this for like your umbrella if you just want to, you know, just stand up straight if you have one of those small ones. I don't know. Or sunglasses. You can put your sunglass case here or your eyeglass case here. Just saying. Then you got this zippered piece here, and as you can see by the Velcro snaps, it is removable. I'll show you that in a second. And then back here you have two more of those slots, pretty deep, go all the way down. And then you get a bonus additional zippered piece back here. I think that's really nice. So that way, even if you were to take this piece out, I'll show you. See, it comes out really easy. It's just Velcro. You'd still have a zippered compartment with this organizer. So I think that's really good. And then if you want, you could, if you still use this, you can just easily take this out, toss it into another bag instead of maybe having to transfer, like say if this was like your cosmetic bag or like an emergency little thing, just throw this into like another bag. Plus it'll give you additional room if you just need that extra space that day. And I just think I'm just going to show you this. I'm not going to do a full pack this and all that in this video, but if you're worried about whether or not your planner would fit in here and if it would fit in that bag, it will. That is my Bookish Happy Planner. As you can see, it fits perfectly in this organizer with this bag. See, no problems. So your Happy Planner will fit in here and in here, just in case anybody was wondering about that. If you're looking for like a tote bag, you want to make sure your planner's gonna fit, it will fit in there. Maybe if you guys want, I'll come back and do like a what's in my purse or pack my purse with me type thing, because I do want to switch over from my Fossil to this guy. So if you're interested in seeing something like that, just leave me a comment down below and we can work on that for you guys. Thanks for coming by and checking out my video today. I hope you guys enjoyed this, and if you're in the market for the tote bag for Marc Jacobs, I hope this was helpful to you guys. Give me a couple months or however long I decide to carry this one, and I'll come back and I'll at least give you guys my impressions on carrying this bag, what I think of it, how it worked out for me. Do like a little follow-up, something like that. Anyway, thanks for stopping by, guys. I hope this was helpful, and I'll see you guys in my next one. Bye.